Another perfect row, ready for the sweet, good bales. Faster, faster! Let's get these bales done! Hold on, sweetie! That intake is too much! Shucks! The machine is stuck! Too much hay, little one! Twine snapped. Big jam! Bam! I'm sorry, Mama. I wanted the neatest, fastest bales. First, we cut and rethread. Then, we clear the clog. Woof! Must help find new twine. Good boy! You found the new, strong twine.
A big clog, huh? I hear the squeaks from a mile away. Need leverage. This is packed tighter than a peanut butter jar.
I'll brace the chute. Don't want the machine rolling, friend.
Break the jam open!
Slowly, surely, the problem is overcome. Live footage! B-A-L-R-B-S-T! A mechanical drama.
Deep breath. Slow and steady this time. That's the speed. Nice and easy. The first perfect square bale! Woof woof! Bales are back!
Patience and repair make the best bales.
Good work, little machine. Don't jam on me again.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Baler-Rescue Vlog.
Almost finished. Time for the reward. Our strawberry pineapple smoothie. Done! No more jam, just perfect bales. See, sweetie? Even the big jam turned into neat bales.
A fine reward for a fine piece of wrench work.
The best smoothie in the whole field.
A good repair is thirst work. I'll take mine without the fruit.
It was worth the jam for these perfect, neat squares. Every mistake is a chance to learn the right rhythm. Good morning, sunshine. We've got a perfect day here on the farm for harvesting. Let's see what we can find.
Teamwork makes the dream work, even after a Baler bust. Whoa there, little vlogger. Slow down a bit.
She's good to go. Tight as a badger's burrow now.
Cleanup is part of the job, just like the repair was. What's the next job, Mama? I promise to go slow. Time to load the harvest. Let's make a strong stack. Load the bales. Woof.
Here, little one. It's a two-person job for the big ones.
so strong, brave badger.
Build the foundation slowly. Keep it all plumb and square. Keep them staggered. That's the way, team. Harvest ballet. The synchronization is incredible, folks.
Rolling it is faster than carrying and much slower than rushing.
Safety first. Let the machine help the mechanics.
A good fit. Keep them coming, steady and true.
Protect the scraps. Must keep field tidy. Thank you, Lost Dog. These scraps are for the garden path. No waste, little one. That's a good farm lesson.
Balers need their rest. Ready to park it. Good work, old girl. See you next harvest.
Thank you for the quick fix, friend. You saved the day.
Just another jam. Be careful with that little driver.
I will be more patient next time. Promise, Mama.
A sweet treat for a lesson learned well.
Thank you, gentle turtle. You always steady things. Sleepy boy, a hero's rest after saving the twine. Let's call Dad. Tell him the good news. Bales are ready. Honey, guess guess what? The bales are perfect! Yes, Sweetie Drove! What a perfect harvest, everyone! We make such a great team!